Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to plan a webinar using Airtable with our full 2025 guide. So let's jump right in. First up, you'll need to create a new base in your Airtable account. This is the foundation of your webinar planning. By doing this, you have an organized workspace where you can keep track of all your webinar-related tasks and information. Once you've created your base, let's move on to creating tables. You'll need a few different tables, such as webinar overview, speakers, attendees, and content. The reason we do this is so that each aspect of your webinar has its dedicated table, making it easier to manage. Now that we've done that, let's start populating these tables. In your webinar overview table, include details like the webinar topic, date, and time. For the speakers table, add speaker names, contact information, and topics they will cover. The attendees table should contain the names, emails, and registration status of your attendees. This helps us because it ensures all necessary details are accounted for and easily accessible. Next up is the content table. Here, you should list out the content that will be covered during the webinar, who will be presenting it, and when they will be presenting it. This table is key because it provides a clear roadmap for your webinar, ensuring everything is covered in a logical and timely order. Once you've populated your tables, it's time to create a calendar view. Airtable's calendar view allows you to visualize your webinar timeline. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By inputting your webinar's key dates like speaker confirmation, content finalization, and the actual webinar date, you can track progress and deadlines more effectively. Now, the final step is to use Airtable's automation features. Set up automated reminders for tasks like send webinar link to attendees or follow up with speakers. This is important because it helps you stay on top of tasks and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. So there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have a well-planned webinar using Airtable. Remember that the key to a successful webinar is organization and clear communication, both of which Airtable helps you achieve. Thanks for tuning in and happy planning.